Welcome back to GuideZen. Today I will explain Instagram new feature trial reels. Trial reels basically lets you test your reel before publishing it publicly. Upload your reel before posting. Tap set as a trial reel. To access it, just click on your professional dashboard and here you can see trial reels. Instagram will first show it to a small audience and let's check performance like views and watch time. If it performs well, publish it publicly with one tap. If not, you can edit or delete it. No effect on your main feed. It's great tool for creators who want to experiment safely. If you want more Instagram tips and updates, hit the like button and subscribe to GuideZen. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye. Best of luck.